This is Big Twins go camping because their school's closed because next week is winter break. This is my dog, Beatrice. She's 9. Hi, everybody. And this is Baby Mary. Hi.
Say how old she is. Yeah, you're supposed to say
Baby Mary is 5. She's in kindergarten. And this is Baby Sylvia. She's 5. She's in kindergarten too. Hi. And this is Beatrice. She's in fourth grade too.
Okay, now you can do it.
Hi. We're going camping. We just woke up from their nap. Now they're going to have dinner. Their dinner is
Hot dogs.
hot dogs. Wow, hot dogs, yummy!
Just pretend they're hot dogs. Wait, these are hot dogs. These are
Hillary,
I can't find the fake food.
Sylvia, it's in my room.
Hot dogs, yummy, yummy, hot dogs, yum, yum. Hot dogs, we're gonna have hot dogs. Yum, yum, yummy.
Now they're going to have hot dogs because it's their favorite food.
I want hot dogs. Meow, meow.
Alright, calm down. It's alright.
Hillary, I can't find the food bag.
Here. It's right here.
Okay. Well, this is my room, and they're about to eat dinner
And now they're going to sit down.
and have dinner.
Now they're gonna need a table so then they can eat.
Those are trays. No, they're trays.
Now we need to find the hot buns and hot dogs.
We just need
My
hot
sister
dogs.
is eating the hot dogs now. And baby, I want to play. Yeah, me too. I want to play too.
Fine.
Yeah,
Fine.
Me too. Well, I just want to wait. My sister's a big twin and her doll are having her lip gloss as a plate. No, we don't want trays. We want real plates.
Oh, fine. Hurry.